Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I will cover on the 3 safety net to ensure financial stability, which is namely CPF, insurance and investment. Today we will cover on the 4 CPF accounts to understand more in depth on the interest rates that is given to us at the end of every year. So without further ado, let's dive deep in. We all know that there are 4 CPF accounts allocated to us, which is namely ordinary account, special account, medisave account and lastly retirement account, which is only open after 55 years and above. So what is ordinary account? The ordinary account is primarily used for housing, insurance and investment in various financial institutes. So many members actually use CPF to buy a property or to service a housing loan. So while you may use your CPF OA to pay for your mortgage, consider keeping some of these savings as emergency for future mortgage payments in times of emergency. And the good thing here, if left unused, these CPF savings can grow at stable interest rates, which I will touch on further on in the slides. The next one is the special account, and this is designated to help individuals save for their retirement and for investment in approved financial instruments. So contribution to the SA receive a higher interest rate compared to the ordinary account. Next, the medisave account. This is a national savings scheme which helps CPF members save for medical expenses, especially after retirement. So you can use your medisave savings for your own, for your dependents' hospitalization, day surgery and certain outpatient expenses. And lastly, the retirement account, only open from age 55 onwards. And you have the flexibility to withdraw your CPF savings after setting aside the applicable retirement sum in your RA, which will be covered in other videos. So you can withdraw anytime, whether in full or partially, and as frequently as you like, but there are disclaimers to this as well. Alright. So in a nutshell, what is the interest rate given to us? So for OA, it's actually 2.5%, SA 4%, and NA 5%. And up to 5% will be given on the first 60,000 of the combined CPF, capped at 20,000 for OA. That is for 55 and below. And of course, if you are above 55, the interest rate still holds for all the 4 accounts. Only then that this difference up to 6% of the first 30,000 of the CPF balance, capped at 20,000 for the OA. And up to 5% of the next 30,000, capped at 20,000 for OA. So what do I actually mean by this? Alright, so for interest rate, which is currently from 1st October 2023 to 31st December 2023, is actually at 2.5% per annum. Whereas for special account and medisave account, we actually earn 4.04% per annum. And lastly, the money in your retirement account actually amounted to 4% interest rate per annum. So at a nutshell, these are all the 4 different accounts interest rate that is given to you. So take note over here, the first 60,000 of our combined CPF balances, right, capped at 20,000 for OA, government is giving an extra 1% to this $60,000. And you may also visit this as a summary. What are the interest rate over here via this website? 1% for the first 60,000, capped at 20,000 for ordinary account. And for 2% per annum for the first 30,000 and 20,000 capped for ordinary account, which means you earn up to 6% on your retirement savings. I hope you enjoyed the short session about the 4 CPF account. Look out for my next video and drop your comments or queries in this video, or email me if you'd like me to cover other CPF related issues. See you there.